maaga po tayo sa ating analysis for the reasons I don't have any time for the rest to create ones. So without further ado, let's go po for the AUD and CD on the 1 hour time frame. And as you can see on your screen, we have here the perfect head and shoulders pattern that I usually am going to trade, and in fact the first confirmation has already been confirmed. Now, why do you put this on your watch list? It's because it's a divergent head and shoulders. But before that, we have to identify first the left, the head, the head, and the right shoulders. For the left shoulders, we have here the crossover of the MACD tool, which we are currently using, is the MACD. Although it has been late, like nasa neckline po itong sinasabi natin crossover. Then on the head naman po, nag-crossover siya going up. Then another crossover forming the right shoulder. So from here, if we're going to see it on the RSI, which is I'm going to access the another tool, sarado lang po natin ito isa, FX relative strength. Yeah. So in case you don't know what is RSI, please research po, at napakaganda po ito na tool. Now here, makikita natin the tip of the left shoulder is medyo mababa, mababa kaysa sa compared to head. That's make this one a divergent, one of the favorite nating tinitrade. Yan. So currently, pag inilabas natin yung isang tool natin, which is the market checker. By the way, the market checker is a tool that I have programmed, and if you're interested with this, you could watch my videos or visit my blog. Nandun ko yung codes doon at how to compile, nasa instructions ko yan. So back to the chart, if titingnan po natin, lumabas na po yung first confirmation natin, which is the rejection and forming the right shoulder. Itong arrow na po dito. So ang hihintay na lang po natin is the second, the lead test. Pag lumabas po yan, then let's go on the third confirmation. So again, paulit-ulit ko na po itong sinasabi dahil po paulit-ulit na rin po ang aking system and strategy. At walang nagbago po. Still, I have the 5 confirmation, and the strategy is still the same, the system is still the same. And if you guys want to learn more about this, please visit, please watch more of my previous videos regarding this. So that's all for the AUD and CD. Thank you.